forgot to ask the UK pension was...
What?
Forgot to ask his pension number.
Wouldn't it be on those papers?
No, it's not.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Going right through everybody.
Look at it, like it's a school zone.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Because right now I'm torn between two careers, and if I have to use my other career, then go ahead.
That was red.
If I switch to...
And I went back. And I went to go and select my seats again. First flight free, second flight, and then I selected the exact same seat, and it's like free. I'm like, okay, it must have been like a glitch or something. But anyways, I got upgraded for free to a better seat that would have cost an extra $300 in fare or something like that. Alright, what'd you lose? Oh shit! Put a car on its side?
Yup. How the fuck?
Single car accident.
Yeah.
Where you are, the Mexico. Or the beach. The Daily Grand Lottery is $1,000 a day for life. And it's not every week, it's every day. And it's not a one-time deal, it's for life. And it's not a scratch ticket either. There are 2 draws per week, Mondays and Thursdays. Daily Grand. Must be 19 plus to play. If you gamble, use your game sense.
Hey, about Graham's super expensive Phoenix stag. Well, it's pretty expensive. Here's a guy who says, wow, I spent $1,500 on the last...
Whether you're in Vancouver or Whistler, I don't care where you are, there's always people that don't have any common sense, any street manners.
I thought this list was good. This is like an urban etiquette list of things you need to kind of politeness to the city.
Okay, here's what we're starting with. First of all, no standing around. If you're in the middle of a pedestrian thoroughfare, move it.
Oh, yeah.
No walking and texting. Like, this is the number one rule that's broken all the time. No dawdling, rubbernecking, or suddenly stopping, because I'm right behind you. Move it.
Yeah, can I add to that, too? Like, walk like you're going somewhere.
Please.
I feel for a boy. He talked a real good game. He was Marlboro Red, living on the edge of sleep when he said my name. Well, you live and learn, yeah, heartbreak hurts, and it was time for me to leave. But it was hard to find my way out. I was in so deep, yeah.
YouTube it if you post a video, like within the next, I don't know,
Use the right
2 months maybe.
right
You know,
toward
we can
New
maybe switch
Westminster
back around
and
again.
Delta.
But right now, you know, I think you're a podcaster.
I think it up to the Wikipedia gods, but I thought that was funny.
I would say it is quite an honor to be a podcaster, to be considered as such, you know?
Yeah, no, it is. Podcasting is a noble career.
No profession for anyone. So, what is